Hi, this tutorial is about how to open metadata from imagery. Let's start. Open Envi software. Select File. Open as. Scroll down and select Spot. Then hit demap.xml. Then browse to the folder of data. Here, there are multispectral and panchromatic. And I use the multispectral. Then select File. Save as. Choose the file. Choose the output format. Then place to a folder. Wait until the process is complete. This is the result. You can try to another data. Now, we tried to subset to a location we want. Select File. Save as. Choose the file. Hit the spatial subset. Then select the location you want. Choose the output format. Then place to a folder. Wait until the process is complete. This is the result. Now, you can try to another data. Thanks for watching this short tutorial.